Getting off to a dry start. Very pleasant conditions on this Thursday morning. As we check the look outside this morning on the ODOT camera up in Findlay, things are looking really nice along I-75 and US 68 as we look at temperatures coming in at the lower to mid 60s. 63 degrees right now for Lima, 63 as well in Findlay. We do have some cooler conditions in our outlying spots. Van Wert, one of the cool ones this morning at 59, 61 Wapakoneta and Ottawa. Skies are clear. Just beautiful conditions outside, and we'll enjoy nice weather for the first half of our Thursday, but if we look off to the west, we've got some changes. There's a cold front that stretches over parts of Wisconsin, parts of Michigan, and ahead of the front, there's a line of showers and thunderstorms. This line's going to race down very quickly as we go throughout the morning, and by the time we get to the early part of the afternoon, we'll begin to see the line creep its way into northwest Ohio, and we may see a couple of these bands of showers and storms come in as we go throughout the course of the afternoon hours. The other story today is you're going to notice a lot more wind as well. As the front approaches, becoming very breezy. By the time we get to the lunch hour, we'll see wind gusts approaching 25 miles per hour. And as the showers and storms begin to move in, the concern would be for some localized higher gusts. As we get these showers to move in, what they can do is bring down those stronger winds that we have in the upper part of the atmosphere, kind of push them down towards the ground level. So there could be a very isolated severe storm, which, remember, severe criteria would be 58 miles per hour or greater. That chance is low, but it's not zero. So we're keeping an eye on that. But for the most part, we'll just see those enhanced gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour when those showers and storms roll through. So just keep that in mind. If you have any loose furniture outside, I may want to contain that, maybe put it in the garage because it will be pretty windy today. But then we'll see the winds settle down this evening after the showers and storms roll on through. Temperature-wise, we'll warm up to the upper 70s to near 80 around early afternoon. But then we'll see the numbers fall as the showers roll through. And then overnight tonight, we'll see numbers down into the low 50s. So it's going to be a nice, cool, crisp start on Friday morning as we take a look at our chance of rain. It's very likely today we'll have rain at some point, but again, the rain is not going to amount to a whole lot because it's going to be moving through so quickly. So this morning we're nice and dry. We get to the early afternoon. I think by 1 o'clock we'll already begin to see a line of showers and storms to our northwest. As we get towards 2 to 3 o'clock, it'll start to roll its way into Lima. That'll move through very quickly. We'll get a break, and then we'll get a couple more scattered showers into the early evening before everything winds down overnight. And we look forward to gorgeous weather as we head towards our Friday into the weekend. You see the wider picture showing very quiet weather here. We'll see the chance of actually a hurricane and still even a tropical storm by the time we get to Sunday and Monday, moving its way into parts of Southern California. But around here, we've got this big ridge of high pressure. You notice that keeping us nice and dry as we move forward. So we're going to see a break from any rain chances. So it's been a while since we've had a 7-day forecast with no mention of rain, and that's where we're going over the next week. Very dry conditions. We'll see amazingly comfortable temperatures, too, for the start of the weekend. Tomorrow's high is 75, up to 78 Saturday. We could start Saturday with some 40s in outlying spots, but then Sunday we heat it up to 87, and then we'll see a couple days near 90 early next week.